Of course, I'd be happy to tell you a story. What kind of story would you like to hear? Would you like a funny story, a scary story, or something else entirely? Absolutely, here's a spooky tale for you. In a not-too-distant future, the world as we know it has come to an end. A catastrophic event known only as the Great Calamity has brought human civilization to its knees, leaving behind a barren wasteland teeming with danger and uncertainty. Survivors band together in small communities, struggling to find food and shelter in the unforgiving environment. Resources are scarce and competition is fierce, leading to conflicts between groups over what little remains. But there is something even more sinister lurking just beyond the edges of these tiny settlements. Something that leaves behind a trail of unexplained disappearances and strange, glowing markings on the ground. As the survivors of these small communities begin to vanish one by one, they realize that they are not alone in this desolate landscape. Someone or something is out there, stalking them through the ruins of their one great civilization. And it's coming for them next. User. How was that? Did you find it spooky? Of course, I have a few more tales of horror and suspense that might strike your fancy. Would you like to hear another one? Great, here's another story for you. Once upon a time, there was a small town nestled in the heart of a dense forest. The townsfolk lived simple lives, farming the land and trading goods with neighboring villages. But one day strange things began to occur in the town. People would disappear in the middle of the night, leaving behind only their belongings and a faint trace of a strange scent. At first, the townsfolk thought it was just rough riders or bandits, but soon they realized that something far more sinister was at work. User. You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed this story. If you want to hear more, just let me know. There are plenty of other spooky tales where that one came from. Have a great day.